Hello there. It's me MD. With you, here on Everything PS. Here we are again. In a new tutorial, in our InDesign course. Today, we are gonna talk about basic text formatting. Stay tuned. Now, let's start our tutorial, and if you want to follow along with me, I am working with the InDesign project file. Character paragraph. You will find this project file with the media associated with this tutorial. You can download it from the link down below in the description box. After downloading the project file, just double-click on it to open it in Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign excels all types of text formatting. In order to complete a restaurant menu, we will explore the differences between character and paragraph formatting and apply a few different types of formatting to the menu text. Now with the document open, you may see the missing fonts dialog box. This means you haven't yet installed the fonts used in this document. In InDesign, any text that uses fonts that are missing from your system will be highlighted in pink in the document. How to fix the missing fonts? In the Missing Fonts dialog box, click the Activate button to sync the Adobe fonts to your machine. That is, the Adobe font library is included with your Adobe Creative Cloud membership. When syncing is complete, you can click Close. If for some reason you don't have access to Adobe Fonts library, you can click the Find Fonts button in the dialog box. You can then select the font that's missing. You can tell it's missing because you'll see a small yellow yield sign appear in the dialog box next to the font name. Then select the font, replace it with any font on your system. Then click Change All. Once you're finished, you can click Done. To start with, you will learn the difference between character and paragraph formatting. So in the Tools panel, on the left, select the Type tool. And then come down here to the bottom of the page and click in the middle of this paragraph text. To zoom in to read, press Command and plus on Mac or Ctrl and plus here on Windows a few times. Now if you look in the Properties panel on the right, you'll see this character section of formatting and a paragraph section of formatting. Character formatting is formatting applied to the character level. In other words, the individual letters, numbers, and other you select. This type of formatting applies to whatever text is selected, which could be a letter, a word, or even series of paragraphs. Click to insert the cursor after the asterisk at the beginning of the text down here. Back in the Properties panel, click the kerning value and choose 200. Kerning is the space between characters. Numbers are only affected the space between the characters where the cursor was. That's character formatting. And to apply a character formatting to a lot of text, click 4 times in the text down here to select it all. In the Properties panel, click the leading value and choose 14. Leading is the distance between the base lines of text. If you look at the lines of text down here, pretending each line of text is sitting on an imaginary line, the distance between those lines is the leading value. Now, to move up to the top of the page, press the Option key on the Mac or the Alt key here on Windows to access the hand tool temporarily. Then press and drag the document window so you can see the text up here. Then release the key. Now, you work a little bit with paragraph formatting. Formatting you see in that paragraph section, in the Properties panel, is applied to entire paragraphs, regardless of what's selected in paragraph. For example, select the word Swiss by double-clicking the word. Then, in the Properties panel, click the Align Center option, and the whole paragraph, which is actually only a line of text, will align to center. Now all the text in this frame needs to be aligned center. To do that, you'll select all the paragraphs. So choose Edit. Select all. Click the Align Center option again in the Properties panel. And all the text in the frame lines to center. Sometimes it can actually be difficult to tell what text makes up a paragraph. For instance, click in the ham and Swiss cheese sandwich text to see where the paragraph ends. Choose Type. Show hidden characters. You can now see hidden characters, like these little dots, which indicate spaces, or these icons, which indicate the end of the paragraph, and other marks that don't normally show or print. To hide those characters again, choose Type. Hide hidden characters. And then so you can see the entire page. Choose View. Fit page in window. Now that you understand character and paragraph formatting, and you've discovered a few of the many different formatting options available in your own projects, you can start to apply different types of formatting and continue to explore all the formatting options available too. Now here we go. We are done for today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below in the comments section. See you next time in a new tutorial. Goodbye.